Okay, welcome everyone. Today is Monday, September 3rd. It's Labor Day in the US. And two of our trades have triggered. You're looking at the Australian US dollar. Put a sell stop here at 102.61.4. We put a 14-point stop. You can see price right now is at 58 by 59. So we're up a couple of pips here. 14-point stop. We're targeting 15 pips here. Hopefully we're going to get to the target before London opens in 11 minutes. The second trade is the British pound US dollar, also sell stop 158.615, 14-point stop just above the box. Price right now is pretty much at 59 by 60, up 1.5. So we'll see how we go. Check back later. Here we are. We're going to wrap up our trades for today, Monday, September 3rd. We ended up with 4 trades today. 3 of them on purpose and the other one triggered. So let's start with the Australian US dollar. This is the first trade that triggered. We put a sell stop during the London Frankfurt session of 102.61 and that triggered right here. And you can see that it got positive, maybe 4.5, almost 5 pips, and then it came back, had a little bit of a drawdown. Our stop was minus 14, protected by this yellow box and swing highs. Our target was 20 pips. You can see the target was achieved. However, I ended up closing this at plus 14, somewhere around here. Okay, so this was a successful trade. The second trade that we had that triggered, you're looking at the Euro Australian dollar, and we put a buy stop here 122.52. This also triggered close to the late Frankfurt session, just before the London Open. Again, a pretty tight stop, 14 pips instead of our normal 22, and you see that it kept moseying all the way to our target of 20. This trade I took it off at 15 as it stalled somewhere around here. So okay, and then the third trade that we also entered during Frankfurt happens to be the British pound US dollar. You can see that it consolidated here and we entered on the break here with this blue line, short at 158.61 with a very tight stop, again of 14 pips. Now this trade did not work out for us. What happened was we were up 7 pips almost immediately within the first 4 or 5 candles, and then started having a little bit of a drawdown, came back to our entry, came back positive, and then, well, you know what happened. The British pound had news that came up at 4:30 New York time, PMI, high impact, and you can see what happened. It not only took us out of our stop, but I had a negative slippage of almost 10 pips, 9.7 pips slippage. So it took us out at 23.5, unfortunately. So these are the 3 trades that I had planned, and then the 4th trade that I talked about. You know, when we do our analysis, even though I think the market's going to go short, I tend to put one going the other way, counter. So just in case I'm wrong. So the euro dollar we did not trade short, but I happened to put a buy stop here. The high for the day was 89, but I put a buy stop on the top of this yellow box, 125.85. So as prices went down, we completely forgot about this trade, and you can see there it triggered us into this trade and almost came back to the entry pretty much, and then pretty much I closed this at minus 18. So this was an accidental trade, unfortunately. Call that a trader error. So anyway, because of this, we're going to be down slightly for the day, but it's still good trading on the other 2 or 3 pairs that we traded. So we will see you in the room tomorrow.